Hi, brother. Good morning.
Very good morning, bro.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine, brother. Thank you for asking me. Thank you. So, brother, could you tell me, like, where are you calling from?
Yeah, I am from Odisha.
Okay, you're from Odisha. That's
Yeah.
great. So, what's your
Okay.
name, brother?
My name is Ojutudu, and yeah, I have completed my MSc from Bhubaneswar.
Okay,
Yeah, I am 22 years old.
okay.
Yeah, and my current district is Moyurbhanj. Have you heard about it?
No, brother, I didn't heard about like Moir Punch. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. I think you must heard about the Simlipal National Park?
Simlipal. Actually, brother, I didn't Odisha. I didn't went to go Odisha. That's the reason I'm confusing a lots of name because you are native over there and I'm living in a Mumbai. So I know very well like about Mumbai and UP and little bit some state also, but I didn't visit Odisha.
Okay, then
Yeah.
no problem.
So,
Okay.
bro, tell me like about yourself. Why you are learning English language? What is the reason? What is the big rule of English? Please tell me.
Okay. Uh, as you know, English is a global language. Okay. If
Yes.
you go anywhere, any other job sector, it's most need. Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm, okay. So that's why I am learning English.
Okay. That's why you are learning English. That's great thing, brother. That's great thing. Like you are improving your English language. But bro, like, could you tell me like about your study? What kind of you
Yeah.
are taking a study? Yeah.
Okay. I have completed my MSc in biology. Biology means botany.
Okay.
Yeah.
Biologist. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your future plan? Like after college, what will you do? How will you find a job?
Okay. Right now I am preparing for government job.
Okay, right now you're preparing for government job. So did you done your graduation?
Yeah, I already completed and also post graduated. I have completed post graduated.
Okay, you done your graduation. Then after that post graduation, OMG, really? You are
Yeah,
great person. Seriously, you took a lots of study. That's great.
yeah,
So what about
yeah.
your journey? What about your English journey? How do you practice yourself? Like about are you speaking with yourself and with your friend? What about your environment, atmosphere? Could you tell me?
Actually, I have started my English journey from this during lockdown period.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah, and and
okay,
I learned through only online. Okay, I thought
okay.
I watch sometime when I will get free. That time I
Mhm.
watch English Cambly video.
Okay,
Okay.
Kamali video. That's great. Okay,
Yeah, I spent more than 1 to 2 hours for learn English.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
this step.
and also I am doing my online class because I am already. I told you I am preparing for in government job.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
So you are preparing a government job, you are taking online classes. So what kind of language you are watching a video, attending a class? What kind of language over there going on?
uh, Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
Yeah,
So why did you choose a Hindi? Because like you are, for example, you are learning a English language. So why you are not choosing a English? Because it future time definitely it's gonna help for your job, your career, your exam. So why you are not taking a online classes about English language?
actually in that app. Okay, English option is not available. Okay,
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay.
they
So
only yeah
yeah,
they
tell
only
me.
only in Hindi language.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah,
great.
I think you already know about that app. Have you heard about a Wi-Fi story on Academy?
Wi-Fi store academy. No, brother, I didn't heard about this institute. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So what is that?
mm, through their shop, okay, they provides different of um, course,
Okay.
different course. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
for preparing government job.
Okay, for preparing government job. Okay, that's great. So, brother, like, how do you practice yourself right now? Like, how many time you spend yourself about English language? How many days? How many, a day? Like, how many time use like some, family video, and then after that talking with yourself and thinking. How do you practice? You told me like before I watch, I go to YouTube channel watch
Okay.
this part.
Hello.
Like how many time you speak yourself, speak with your friend circle. How many time? Yeah.
Okay. After my completing my online class, okay. When I get
Okay.
free,
Mhm.
that's time I watch gambling video. I think I
Okay.
already told you 1 to 2 hour I spent in English conversation video.
Okay. So do you realize, brother, like it's helping for me 2 hours about English language? Are you satisfied? Are you improving yourself?
Yeah, bro. Sure.
Okay, you are improving.
Actually,
Okay, that's
actually,
great.
and also I don't have enough time to learn, enough time to give more time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Okay, no problem, brother. So can I share with you something about English language, about some tips, about something like, if don't mind?
Okay, okay.
Okay. See, brother, like you know very well, like we know that English is global language. Okay, first thing, international language. Everywhere people are speaking, and this is very simple and easy language. I don't know why people are making a complicated. People are talking about English is very tough job, tough language. I can't speak. Why? Because we always think about native language, always speak a native language. That's our vision. Us always think about native language, thinking, speaking, and watching. Always think a native. So how can I possible to learn a English? If you see, brother, what happened if you think a English language, automatically your mind will be thinking. If you
Yeah,
speak a English language, means what? Like just make a good talk about 1 hour 2 hour and you're doing great. Okay, talk about one topic, at least conversation English language, at least think about, and watch a YouTube channel. Okay, definitely you will improve English language. And very important to, brother, like watching, speaking, and listening. It's very very important. And if you interest to it, then you can go read part also very important, brother. Like whenever we try to read any kind of books, any story, any comic, anything, then we can learn like vocabulary and pronunciation, spelling, and story, grammar part. Many things we can learn from reading part. It's very important. If you do,
yeah.
brothers, seriously, English is very important. If you do, definitely you will learn within a short period, we can say a month at least. You will clarify yourself basically, and you will convert intermediate. So always make a interest, brother, always make a interest. So can you tell me like are you facing a little bit English language with yourself, with your friend circle? Did you talk with front of people before yet English language with
No, bro.
anyone? why
No.
why you
Ac-
Yeah, tell
Actually,
me.
uh, every day at evening time. Okay,
Hmm.
every day evening time I talk. I talked with people. I talk with people in call. Okay, offline call.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, in group, that's group. Okay, I took their number from that group. Okay, and
Okay.
and talked with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how was your conversation? How was those people like speaking with you? Is politely, rudely, good, bad? How was your experience?
Um, that improved. That's helped to improve my English
Okay.
journey. Yeah.
So I think you are interesting. You are learning from your WhatsApp group, from your some like group, some
Yeah.
partner, and everyday practice with those people?
Yeah, every day.
That's great thing, brother.
Yeah.
Seriously, that's great thing. If you do regular, brother, definitely you will improve yourself. Even I'm also beginner, okay? I'm also learning every day about
Okay.
English language. I'm making video. If I tell my, like how I'm speaking, how I'm learning English language, so I'm going to like every day I try to speak with friend circle every day. First thing, brother, I love to communication. I make an interest about English language, and always I find a good partner who's interesting, who's a conversation with me. And second thing, like I do reading, I do read, and I watch a Hollywood movie. I go to YouTube channel, watch out some motivational speech, some articles. Then after that, like I I try to speak. I think about English language. So, brother, you can also do yourself. If you do, definitely you will, at least learn a basically. You are speaking great right now. You are improving. So I appreciate you, brother. Seriously, you're doing great. Okay. So just
Thank
give a like a lots of time means what around whenever you free, then talk to yourself more, like what I'm doing, what's my future plan, and about my English language. Always, brother, spend the English. If you interest, if you think about like English helpful for my life, for my job, for my career, then you have to invest, you have to spend a lots of time about English language. It's very important. Okay.
you. Yeah.
And always think a English language, brother. You can talk with your friend circle if possible, otherwise you can talk with your family. I know that it's very difficult, but at least take a step, brother. One time, two time, if you feel like like trouble, something problem, then avoid. See, brother, this is very, we can say this is a not a permanently, this is just a temporary, we can say. But if you learn an English language, you will learn permanently, automatically. You will never forget. Okay. So
Yeah.
first thing, try to learn English day by day. Just work. This is very sweet and simple way to learning part. And if you
Yeah.
feel too shy sometime, like how to talk, then you can record yourself video and audio, whatever you prefer to. Just record and learn about something. Just try, just check your about English language, how I'm speaking, how I'm learning. You will definitely clarify, you will get a your mistake, and you will clarify like what should I do more. But right
Yeah.
now you are speaking great. This is very important, brother. At least you try, at least you are trying to improvement. And you know very well, like your first, your language, your native language, you are learning a second language. So don't feel too shy, don't feel too like hesitation. We are learning a second language, we can speak anywhere anytime. Okay. Whenever you get an opportunity, just talk, just take this opportunity and talk to front of people.
Okay.
Just make a
Yeah.
good friend and talk about like your daily routine, your job every day. Just do
Okay.
it. Okay.
Yeah.
So, brother, anything else like have
Yeah.
any question?
Actually,
Yeah.
your
Okay.
English channel, it is so awesome, bro. Awesome. I watch your all video, and
Okay. Thank you.
I learned through you so many word, and your conversation was
Okay.
are very grateful. Yeah.
Thank you very much, brother. Again, I'm going to tell you thank you very much for supporting me. You people are supporting me. You people are learning from my video. So I'm happy with you. Whenever you feel too stuck, whenever you feel to like, about English language problem, then please call me. Please contact with me. Definitely, I will speak. I will tell you, clarify. I will tell you, solution like about any kind of, okay. Always
Yeah.
I mean always I available with you, like always I available. Okay. So, brother, I think so I have to go. Sorry for interrupt. Okay. It's an amazing conversation, and keep going, practice more and more on, always think about English language.
Yeah.
See, brother, speak slowly and clearly. Don't think and don't make a complicate. Just try to understand. Make a like use a simple word, simple way. Create some story like that. If you do, definitely you will learn more and more. Just build your confidence.
Yeah.
Even sometimes also do I mistake, but I'm not correcting my mistake. I'm just learning. Like okay, I will do. So just do a mistake. You can learn a many things. Okay,
Yeah.
don't feel too shy. always think a positive, always think a, like English language. It's gonna help for English. Okay. So I think so we have to end up this here. Okay. So bye bye. See you soon. See you
Bye,
next
bro.
time. Thank you very much
Yeah,
for
you
calling with me. Bye bye.
welcome.
Yeah. Bye bye.